Experience driving perfection in the 2017 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 45,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, front and rear reading lights, a front bench seat, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.